Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nadia and in this video we're gonna add this beautiful butterfly wings. I got this tutorial from channel Bob Spark AR in Portuguese. I'm gonna leave the link to that channel in description to this video. Let's begin. Okay, I'm gonna close this project and I'm searching for neck decoration. Okay, here I'm gonna delete this bow tie, clicking delete on my computer. And now I'm going to library, picking 3D object and searching for the butterfly. Butterfly. Here, butterfly, this one, import free. Waiting for it to import. Done. And closing this window. Here our 3D object. We can see that this 3D object is animated because we have this human moving. Okay, so now we are going to this texture and we're clicking no compression. And here also no compression. And here no compression. That's it, and I'm closing it back. And now I'm dragging it on drag here. And now we see our 3D object in the scene panel. Now I'm going to the rotation and I need to delete these numbers and put 0 for the X. For the Y I'm putting 180. For the scale I'm putting 0.3, 0.3 and 0.3. Okay, done with that. Now we are clicking on add object, searching for the rectangle. Okay, and going to inspector panel and clicking for the width, fill width and fill height. Clicking on plus to add material, create new material, and let's name this material segmentation. Shader type is going to be flat. And for the texture, we're going to camera and clicking plus for detection, extraction, and segmentation. And this camera texture and personal segmentation appeared in our assets panel. Now we are going back to our segmentation material and we are picking first camera texture here, and then we are clicking on alpha and person segmentation second. Okay, so we have our wings. Now we need to add motion. So we are clicking on our 3D object in the scene panel. And here we're going to animation, create new animation. And now our butterfly is moving. Oh, also, don't forget, let's come back to our segmentation material and let's go to the advanced render option and disable use depth test and write to depth test. Okay, so now we are going to our 3D object in the assets panel. Let's open it. Clicking on the blue monarch. And I'm gonna put roughness to 0. When I do that, I'm gonna enlarge it. You will see that the butterfly becomes more shiny. It looks more pretty. So this is without it. And now with 0, it becomes more shiny. I like it more. So put roughness to 0. And let's put it back. And the last thing I want to add retouching for the face. So I'm clicking on add object and searching for the face tracker here. Now I'm clicking on this face tracker and clicking face mesh. And first face mesh is going to be called skin show. I am disabling eyes and mouth here and clicking on Material Plus, create new material, and it's going to be Skin Show. Now I'm going to the face tracker, clicking plus by the texture extraction, and coming back to this material Skin Show. I need to change first the shader type to flat, and now I'm clicking this face tracker texture. Let me enlarge it. Okay, and also we're gonna have this not nice edges by the neck, so I'm clicking on the alpha, and you probably know, but I'm just gonna tell it in case. This is Face Mesh Mask. That's from the face assets on the SparkAR website, and I'm clicking no compression. Coming back to Skin Show and picking this Face Mesh Mask to make the edges smoother. One more time, I'm clicking on the face tracker. I'm clicking Add, Face Mesh, Retouch. Add material, create new material, retouch, and shader type is retouching. So now we have this retouching, nice retouching, and the last thing I want to show you, I'm gonna resize this to smaller and click 2D and also resize this to smaller, clicking on this blue monarch butterfly, and pause this video. And now I'm on these arrows, and I'm just show you, you can see here on the back that I'm just dragging it a little bit down, so you can just move it the way you like. And so now they're a little bit lower. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a good day. Bye bye.